when it comes to the workplace, wala. Kag ang especially utilization ng funds within the barangay level. Unfortunately, there are a lot of barangays na wala kabalo on how to utilize the funds that we have. So, hopefully, madrasin na if we revisit the GAD code. And, pero balaan ko, subong ang city government, nagkaribot na sila pala sa kabarangay, i-review ang mga development plan if the GAD fund is properly utilized. But ang wala kailangan i-revisit, kay ever-evolving na kailangan sang mga kababaihan, kag sang tanan. So that's why there is a need to revisit. Wala labot naman dato siya sang aton ng mga mataas nga hindi sang gobyerno.
Thank you, Councilor.
Councilor, support ni Councilor Doron nga ibalik
naging emotional kita nila kag in addition to what Councilor Deliana said, yes, we will draft and the ordinance and write the ordinance not only to address the problems by women but of all genders as well.
how do we intend to localize sang sining national law naton? Ay sining nila may national law kita pero hindi pa naton ang ordinance.
Amo to gani hambalo ko kay ina because when I was reviewing the national law, wala pa bala sang specific for example if sa PUJ natabo kung ano ang penalty if it's committed by the driver. So we will address that gap hopefully when the ordinance will be passed. And sa Antay-Bastos Law wala pa ang online. So and nakita kong statement sa DLG nga kailangan nato ni update, so hopefully that will be addressed as well, and other gaps that will be discussed during the committee hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Councilor.
Bata ko balang biktima sila.